Hi guys, welcome back to the tutorial. Today we are going to see how to use Try Xpath add-on, which is used to verify XPaths. So far, till 57 version, we were using firebug, but after 57th version, Firefox stopped supporting firebug and firepath. So currently we are in need of a tool with which we can verify our XPath, whether it's a right XPath or a wrong XPath. So we are going to see Try Xpath, which is a tool which will help us to verify whether our XPath is right or wrong. So basically this tutorial will not cover how to build an XPath. In following tutorials I will be covering how to build a XPath, but in this tutorial we are only going to see how to use the Try Xpath add-on with Firefox. So open your Firefox browser, latest browser, and click this three horizontal rows option menu. Once you click the option menu, you can find a list of options. In these options, select add-ons. Once you move into add-ons page, choose get add-ons option. Yes, once it's loaded your add-on page, scroll down to the bottom and find the button see more add-ons. Click it, and the search field search for add-on Try Xpath and hit enter. Our first option itself is a Try Xpath add-on. Click Try Xpath add-on. Okay, once the add-on page is loaded, we can see the add-on details and the reviews about this particular extensions, basically developed by Larissa 9839. I'm sorry, but I'm not able to find what's the author name, so we only got a username. So press on add to Firefox. So it will be added to your Firefox, and it will ask us permission like whether to add it or cancel it. So press add. So once it's added, it will say it's successfully added. So press OK. Now we have icon TX here, which means we have successfully installed Try Xpath add-on. Okay, so we have installed it, but let's go to a site and let's verify. Let's go to a site and see how to verify the XPaths and CSS selectors using Try Xpath add-on. So go to, I'm using my sites, Selenium, Webdriver, /java/ practice dropdowns. So navigate to seleniumwebdriver.com/java/practice-dropdowns.php. So here you can, in this page you can see three dropdowns. Okay, products, animals, and food items. Let's verify their source code. Basically we have to say like what is the tag name used to form those. Basically we know it's a select class, and which is having id as first, and animals dropdown is having also formed with a select class, but it has id of animals. Okay, and the third one, so this is also used select tag name, but id is second. Now as we know what source code it is, let's try to find them whether it's there or not. So click TX icon and you will get a dialog box. Basically execute means nothing but you enter any expression here, and once you click execute, it will try to find that particular element in our source code. Okay, so basically we know how to form a XPath using a tag name. So it's a /select. Press on execute. So here in this part you can see like how many elements are present for that particular expression. So basically our XPath is a success one, and it matches with three elements. One is products, animals, and food items. So once we scroll down to the bottom, we can see like all the results of that particular expression. If we click focus, it will highlight it into a blue color. Once we click it, basically this is the one I'm going to click. Here you can see it's highlighted with a blue, but the remaining are not highlighted with blue. So if I click second one will be highlighted with blue. See, second one is highlighted with blue, but first one is not having a blue. So let's write an index for first combo box. So it's called a group index. Xpath starts with 1. So now we have only one match, and which is this Google. If you want to find the second one, I can hit second one, and so on it goes. Here also the result will be narrowed down to 1 and 2. Okay, these are used when we have multiple matching elements and which are not aligned in a single page, or something like if we have like 20 or 30 matches, it spreads across the pages. So that particular time we can use this buttons to navigate to other pages. Okay, so we are done with the XPath verification. Let's try with CSS selector. Till now we are using XPath. For that we have to choose XPath any type. Okay, when we are going to use CSS selector, we have to change the type to query selector. Okay, so once we change it to the query selector, we can write our query, right? Select. So when we write any CSS selector, basically if we use a tag name, no need to mention any dot or hash symbol for CSS selectors. So if we give without anything, it takes us a tag name. Okay, let's see. The select matches with one particular element. If you see here count, it is 1. But when we wrote our XPath /select, it was showing 3 matches. But here we have only one match. So this is one tricky part. When we use CSS selector, and if you want to find more than one match or other than the first match, we have to change it to query selector all. Okay, now if we press enter or if we click on execute, it will show all the matches. Now you see count is 3 and message is success. Okay, here we will be having 3 results. So we can use Try Xpath to verify our XPaths and CSS selectors, but at the same time we cannot use Try Xpath for forming or creating our XPaths and CSS selectors. Thank you guys.